Coming up in center circle, reggae boy Corey Burke talks how he overcame loneliness in the States. No mas, Ricardo Gardner has thrown in the towel at Harbourview, and the Clarendon College are the kings of schoolboy football. He's back in Jamaica in his off-season, but instead of going off on the north coast with his legs up, reggae boy striker Corey Burke has taken the time to help with the coaching of his old club, De La Vega FC.
When my time playing here, we didn't have this opportunity where we got players who play overseas to come back and teach us who were part of the team at that point anything that they learned in the States or even in England or anywhere in Europe. So I got the opportunity to play there, and so whenever I get the chance, like off season, I always want to come here to help the younger guys and teach them stuff that I learned there. So in the future, maybe a next player like myself could do just what I did, because they never knew what life can bring, and this is soccer and football here. So if you love the sport, all you got to do is work hard and believe in your dream. I know that they respect me a lot, everyone, even the older guys who I was playing with at my time, even the coaching staff, because if I'm here and the coach here, they just give me the training to do the session.
Burke left Jamaica 3 years ago to join the Philadelphia Union feeder team, the Bethlehem Steels, a moment he says was the toughest for him.
At the beginning, when I heard that I got a contract with Bethlehem, I was excited to go in the States and play professional football. When I reached there now, and the first two nights, I couldn't sleep because I was so far away from my friends and family, and there was no one there that I really know like that more than my brother, and I just meet him when we were going away. I just want to be in training, because whenever I'm home, I'm starting feeling lonely and there's no one, because when I just got here, I didn't have a cell phone, so things was really lonely for me, and I just want to be at training every day where my teammates are, and we try to build a relationship with everyone. And so my performance keep going until I got the injury a week before the season started, and that kept me out like 6 weeks after I do the surgery.
But he has since found new company as he has started a relationship overseas.
You know, my relationship is perfect. My girl is still in the States at home waiting on me to come back.
So after 2 years in the USL with the Steels, Burke is now with the Union as he played his first season in the MLS.
Actually, as I say, I have a great season this year in the MLS first season. Life is going well for me in Philly. Enjoying every moment of it, so I can't complain.
Here's the captain on the return for Dochkill, feeds it on for Burke! There's the goal! Corey Burke strikes again against the fire!
The MLS is more quality in the MLS, but Philadelphia and Bethlehem is one organization. We do everything that the first team does, that's the Union. So I already have the mindset and the ideas what is expected playing with the first team.
And great job to receive that ball. Dochkill delivers, header, goal! Second goal! Burke!
I always want to be in the top league, and when I first heard that I'm going to be a part of the team, I got the mindset to go there and to stay there, even if not for Union or a different team. I always have the mindset whenever I get the opportunity to play in the top leagues, I got to stamp authority and to stay in the league.
Here's Corey Burke. Played last year with Bethlehem Steel. Nice turn inside, in front, goal!
The second season, playing with Bethlehem, we already have the ideas that they want to sign one of us from the team to the first team. And my name was called up, and that I was going to be a part of the organization, playing with the first team. So I came here and wait for the confirmation from my agent. Back in January this year, I got the call that I'm a part of the team. So I was excited when I heard they called me to do a video, but I didn't do it because the feeling that I have when I heard. So I was a bit shy to do the video. I was trained with the first team when I was with Bethlehem. So went there in January for pre-season. I was familiar with a lot of faces like the coaching staff and players who played the season before and previous season. So it wasn't like something new to me going there. I already know that I'm going there to work. I'm a fitness and try to get the level that the other players who already play there. So whenever I get the chance to go on the field, I can keep up with the speed of the game.
And he even had a better goal ratio in the MLS than he did in the USL or with Rivoli United.
You got better quality players over there and midfielders who can give you the service you need. As a striker, you know you have to be ready for the chance when you get the opportunity to just score. And I got players like Bodoy and Harrison, Borek and David Akem and Fafa Pico who can play a perfect pass for me to latch onto. At the beginning of the season I was on the bench, coming on every game, and whenever I'm up on the bench I'm out the squad. Even in training I always score, and the players who start, the senior players, the captain, everyone always want the coach to play me, and they always go to the coach and said, "Coach, I think Corey should start." And I finally get the start and I scored the first goal in my first start, and from there I always get the chance to start in the lineup.
And 2018 was a good one for him as the goals flowed for club and country.
No one expect me to do so well my first year, even the coach and the manager and everyone at the club. At the end of the year meeting I went there, they all said the same thing. They didn't expect me to do so well, and now I do what I did. They are looking forward for me to come next year and even add to what I did this year. I build my everything that I do at my club. I take my performance from the club level to the national team, because I tell myself every time I play a game I want to score goals. So I just keep focusing on scoring goals. So coming in the national team, I know what is expected from me, knowing that I'm in the US scoring goals for my club and now I'm in the national team.
His feat didn't go unnoticed with the commentators in the States as they renamed him Scory Burke.
The commentator and the fans, everyone, they love it, you know, because this is what we need in the team. Someone to step up and start score so we could climb and make the playoff. And I helped the team a lot up front because we were playing well but not scoring goals, and I get my chance and I take it. So everyone, they're just happy for me, and my teammates, the fans, my family, everyone.
Burke says playing overseas has changed his life for good, and everything he has achieved now is inspired by his daughter.
My daughter inspired me a lot since I was playing for Rivoli. And every time I take her to the game, when I was playing here, I always score goals. Even now, if I'm here playing for the national team and she in the stadium, I always score. So every time I came and I score for the national team, my daughter is there. So everything I do now, I do it for her. It changed my life a lot, knowing that I can help my mother, my family, my little brother, sisters, my nieces and nephews, and friends who need things back home in my community. So when I'm here, everyone is like, they're happy to see me, you know, because I always do stuff to help everyone.
Comfortable in the USA, but Burke is eyeing bigger things.
I think Europe is the place to be. I don't want to stop here because I'm playing the US. I want to push myself more and see where I can go from here.
The top flag stays down. Burke has it. Now the flag goes up. Burke doesn't even know it. Goal. Told ya. There you go. Corey Burke again.
Still to come on Center Circle, Harbourview are in search of a new coach following Ricardo Bibi Gardner's resignation, and Clarendon College ends 20-year wait for more Olivia Shield success.